In this video, I'm going to show you how you can screencast your phone to your YouTube channel, and you don't need 1,000 subscribers, or you can go to Twitch, Facebook, Twitter, and other platforms too, so you can play mobile games to your channel, demonstrate apps, all on Android or iOS with the completely free app Prism Live Studio. And we're going to start right now. So here I am inside Prism on iOS. The app is slightly different on Android, but I'll come to that in a minute, so stick with me. It's more or less the same, just for one minor detail. So when you want to screencast versus live stream, you have this option here on top of this little person icon here. So you want to select that. That is your stream option. And again, this is on iOS. It's slightly different on Android. Once you have that selected, then click on the button beside it, the white button. Now, if you do have scheduled lives on YouTube, the option will pop up for them on Prism. So you can select one of them, or you can go for a brand new stream. If you want to know how to schedule your YouTube lives, link to that video is in the description below. So make a selection on the new broadcast or the scheduled one. I'm going to go for scheduled for now, then click on select. And when you have your settings ready, then click on the yellow record button. So it's telling me on iOS that it's recording my screen. And now all I need to do is to pick a game and then start playing. So here you have Space Invaders. And then I just start playing. So as you can see, I'm not the best at playing video games. But you can see that's all you need to do basically. And when you are done, then go back into Prism and then click on stop. Now, before I go into talking about how you do this on Android, if you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, click on that notification bell to be notified when we upload more videos to help you mobile stream, whether you want to stream your games or anything else from your mobile to your YouTube channel or any other platform. So go ahead, click the subscribe link and the notification bell, and you'll be notified when those videos get uploaded, as well as all the other videos to help you grow your channel, and go live answering your questions to help you grow your YouTube channel every single Saturday, 6 p.m. UK time, 1 p.m. Eastern. On Android, it's slightly different. So what we need to do on Android is go live first, and then we add the screencast. So similar to before, you click on go live. So this one is just going to be a brand new broadcast. Click on that. It says we're starting in landscape mode, which can't be changed, which is fine. And then what we need to do is we need to swipe left and then click on screencast. And then it says you're going to start recording a screen on there. Click on start now. And then we're done. So you'll see this is new. I've got a little myself down here. And if I select a video game, then I can just play that and I get killed. So again, you'll see I'm not the best person at playing video games, whether that's on mobile or anywhere else. So again, once you're done, click on yourself, go back, and then click on end. So what apps or games are you going to stream to your YouTube channel or any other platform? Let me know in the comments area below. I'd love to know what you want to stream from your mobile. And if you are new here, welcome. Great to have you here. Make sure to click on that subscribe button, smash that notification bell to be notified when we upload more videos like this, showing you how you can mobile stream to your YouTube channel. And if you haven't watched my previous video on Prism Live on the settings and how to set that up, make sure to watch that video there. And if you want more mobile streaming tricks and tips, make sure to click that link right there.